Hi everyone, this is really awesome. One of my favorite training platforms recently released new training to learn affiliate marketing. For a limited period, you can get this free 14-day step-by-step training. By the end of the training, you will have built an affiliate marketing business, one that you can scale and grow to start making money online. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. In this free 14-day step-by-step training, you will learn everything you need to create an online business. You will be shown a step-by-step process on how to build a niche website from scratch. It is easy to follow. Here are the topics covered. As you can see, the training covers topics from niche research to hiring writers to publishing content, as well as website building, tracking, building social media groups, outreach, and more. So don't miss this. Get the free training now. You can only access the training with the link given in the description below. So go down to the description below, the video description, and click on the link to get it now. If you have been seeking free training to start an online business, then this is the opportunity you have been waiting for. All lessons are by an expert trainer, Jay, who has been doing online business for more than 15 years. Again, don't miss this. Get free training now. You can only access the training with the link given in the video description below. So go to the video description below and click on the link to get it now. Do you have any questions about this free 14 days step-by-step training? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help and answer your questions. For more videos about business, marketing, and make money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.